After you finish the case and click the Evaluate button, you will be given access to the initial self-assessment, which consists of initial feedback and a review of your decisions in the case. Please remember, this self-assessment will not produce a score. On the index screen, you will see a list of major categories of performance in the case. A star will appear in front of category names in which you met the case criteria for that category. To see the detail for the required diagnosis, click the Diagnosis category. The program will display the required diagnosis, your diagnosis, whether you failed to include the correct diagnosis in your hypothesis list, expanded text discussing the key elements of the required diagnosis, and the expected hypothesis list. Click one of the other category headings at the top of the screen to see the criteria for that category. Criteria items that are preceded by a star are items that you included in your investigation. Items not marked with a star are criteria that you failed to include in your investigation. The assessment screen for the Management category will include the criteria items for required, recommended, related history and physical exam, and related labs, as well as discussion text and the expected problem list. Management items that you included in your investigation will be starred, while those without stars are criteria that you missed. To see the detail of the Cost Efficiency category, click the Cost Efficiency heading at the top of the screen. The program will display all the labs you ordered and their relative cost. A table will display the total number of interview questions you asked, physical exams you conducted, and lab tests you ordered, compared to the number of essential items. Click the Notes, Learning Issues, or SOAP button in the initial self-assessment to see your various note entries. If your case is being scored, that information will come from your instructor.